Did you know that every brushstroke in a painting, every sculpture, and every photograph involves a dance of molecules and reactions? Today, we delve into the unseen world of chemistry behind art. The creation and preservation of art, as we know it, are deeply rooted in chemistry. From the color palette of a painter to the structural stability of a sculpture, chemistry plays a pivotal role. The vivid hues in a painting, for instance, are the result of pigments, substances that absorb certain wavelengths of light. These pigments, when mixed with binders and solvents, create paints. The binders help the paint adhere to the canvas, while solvents control the paint's thickness. These are all products of chemical reactions. The science doesn't stop at creation. Even the preservation of art involves chemistry, from understanding the effects of light and humidity to developing methods of restoration. As we can see, there's an intricate world of chemical reactions behind every artwork, making art a perfect blend of creativity and science. Now that we've whetted your curiosity, it's time to explore the chemistry involved in different art forms. Let's begin with oil painting. This technique employs slow-drying paint made from tiny particles of pigment suspended in drying oils. The oils harden through a chemical process called oxidation, creating a flexible and water-resistant layer that protects the pigments beneath. In contrast, watercolors use water-soluble pigments. When an artist applies these paints to paper, the water evaporates, leaving the pigments behind. This process allows for a light, transparent effect unique to watercolor painting. Now, let's shift our focus to photography. This art form relies on a fascinating chemical reaction. Light-sensitive chemicals on a film or sensor absorb light, and when developed, these chemicals transform into an image. Each art form, whether it's oil painting, watercolor, or photography, uses unique chemical processes to create beauty. Whether it's the slow-drying oils in a masterpiece painting or the light-sensitive chemicals in a photograph, each art form has its unique chemistry. The chemistry of art is a fascinating field, full of vibrant colors, reactions, and material science. It's a world where creativity meets science, where the abstract embraces the tangible. It's not just about the final masterpiece, but also about the captivating journey that leads to it. Think about it. Every brush stroke, every pigment, every texture has a story to tell, a scientific phenomenon to reveal. The beauty of art is not just in its aesthetic appeal, but also in the intricate dance of molecules that makes it all possible. Consider diving into this enchanting realm. There are numerous resources available, from online courses to interactive workshops where you can learn about the science behind art. It's a chance to see art in a new light, to understand the chemistry that enables artists to create their masterpieces. So, next time you admire a piece of art, remember the unseen dance of molecules and reactions that made it possible. Dive deeper, explore more, and appreciate the beautiful fusion of art and science.